Welcome to Kratos BI. My name is Chris Wagner, and today we're going to announce the Data God of the Week. Let's get to it. Boom! All right, over on KratosBI.com, we've put out all of the data gods that exist that are available for you to go out, check out, peruse the profiles. Each week we're going to be focusing on one of them, highlighting the great work that they've done, and why you should know about the data gods. So there are a number of data gods that are out here. There are more queued up. Be ready to come out and check out more of these guys. But we are about to cut over to the data god of the week, Michael Carlo, MVP. Mike's a super nice guy. If you ever get a chance to sit down and talk with him, highly recommend that you do so. Really friendly, really knowledgeable. He runs the Milwaukee Pug with his partner in crime, Seth. Mike's also really known for really building out some of the absolute best looking Power BI dashboards and content that's out there. He's really started to turn this into an art form, creating incredibly interactive Power BI dashboards that people just really love. Mike is also the creator of Power BI Tips, co-creator of the Power BI Tips with Seth. Don't want to forget Seth. Seth's a really good guy. They've got a ton of resources that are out there. I highly recommend coming out and checking out their blogs, their tutorials. There's two key tools that we're going to highlight in some other videos later this week. We're going to go into more details on those then. But you can reach Mike out on Twitter at Mike R. Carlo. Please do check him out. He's always posting good stuff out there. So the Power BI Tips YouTube channel is filled with all sorts of helpful how-to videos on executing and using the tools that are out there, doing replays of their Pug group meetings. Excellent resource to understand all this stuff that's going on inside the Power BI community. This is a little bit of a plug for the Power BI user groups. If you're in or near Milwaukee, highly recommend attending one of their meetings that these guys put on. But there are great Power BI communities all over the globe. Google them. Check out what they've got going on for you. So highly recommend it. You can also reach Mike out on LinkedIn. Excellent resource for going into that, to learning more about Power BI, though. Michael Carlo, the data god of the week. Thank you guys, and stay tuned. We have a lot more coming up. And here's a little preview of what we have coming up next week. On Saturday, February 22nd, that's 1 week from today, when I'm recording this, I'm going to be doing a live stream with the guy in the cube. We're going to be talking about 3 tips for Power BI adoption. We'll see you then. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.